So, if your Airbnb looks good, the reviews are strong, but your bookings are still slipping, well, let me tell you, you didn't do anything wrong. You just may be signaling something you don't realize that you're signaling. And the Airbnb algorithm is responding to it. Not with a warning, not with even an email, just less visibility on the platform. And so today I'm going to show you exactly what that signal is, why the algorithm reacts to it, and how to fix it without changing your photos, your price, or your listing copy. So if that is you, well, you are in the right place. And here's the part that most hosts will miss. In 2026, Airbnb doesn't rank listings based on how attractive they are. It ranks listings based on how predictable they behave. And so to some hosts, this setting may feel responsible, flexible, and attentive, but to Airbnb, it looks uncertain. And uncertainty is the fastest way to quietly lose trust. And look, y'all, once you see this, you will understand why effort isn't fixing the problem. And I can tell y'all, this took us a long time to learn. Not from dashboards, but from watching patterns. Look, y'all, we manage multiple listings and coach hosts all around the country. And the moment we stopped managing our listings reactively and really started letting the system observe us, our visibility stabilized, the pricing power returned, and bookings stopped feeling so fragile. And so everything I'm sharing here comes from noticing what stops compounding before hosts ever realize it's happening. So this is also why we eventually wrote these signals down in a simple set of checklists that you can download below. So we're offering this not as advice, but as a way to lock in trust early so you don't have to reverse the damage later. You don't need it right now. After watching this video, you can download it by using the link below. So most hosts think that the algorithm awards effort. So they do more, they open weekends, they close weekdays, they reopen dates, then they block them again. And sometimes they're doing this all in the same week. And I get it, y'all. From the host side, this feels like optimization. But from Airbnb side, it looks unstable. And instability is the fastest way to kill trust. And if you've ever thought, well, let me just tweak this real quick, you probably know what this tension feels like. And so the setting quietly hurting bookings isn't a toggle, it's calendar volatility. And so every time availability opens and closes, then reopens again in a short window, Airbnb resets its confidence in who your listing is for. It's almost like interrupting a conversation before the other person finishes learning your tone. And the truth is, when we do this, we're not helping the system, we are confusing it. And I can tell y'all, we learned this the hard way. Early on, everything in our business was manual. So one afternoon, I'm in the school pickup line trying to buckle my son into his car seat, and I got a phone call from a guest. They're standing at the door and their code isn't working. They're frustrated, and I gotta tell y'all, at that time, I'm pretty distracted. And suddenly I'm juggling my son who's fidgeting in his car seat, the guest is confused, and really, y'all, this is a decision that I should not have to make in real time. Because that moment had nothing to do with me being a good or bad host. It was really about trust breaking under pressure. And that's when it really clicked for me. Most hosts don't have a listing problem. We have a control problem. And this is exactly what the algorithm is watching. And that's because top hosts don't win by reacting faster. They win by interfering less. So they set availability rules and they leave them alone. Really, they let Airbnb observe consistency. And look, in our portfolio, the moment we stopped touching the calendar, bookings started smoothing out, visibility climbed, and our pricing stopped feeling so fragile. So what I want you to understand is we didn't optimize more, we stabilized our listings. And so here is the rule. Airbnb rewards predictability more than perfection. A calm calendar signals confidence, whereas an anxious one signals risk. And when it comes down to it, the Airbnb algorithm will always choose the listing that feels safer and more predictable. And I've put this channel together for hosts who want this level of clarity. Quiet systems breakdown, not hacks and not guesswork. And so if the content I'm sharing in this video and on this channel for that matter is helping you see your listing differently, liking this video and subscribing subscribing to this channel help this content reach other serious hosts like yourself. And that's how this stays useful. So go ahead and hit like and subscribe. All right, let's keep going, because here's the catch. Calendar stability is only half of the system, because once Airbnb starts to trust your listing, pricing becomes the real lever. And that is unfortunately where most hosts will undo everything that they have fixed with the content they've learned in this video. So in that next video, I'm going to show you how to price your listing for stability and profitability in 2026, and why smart pricing often backfires. And that is where we're going to lock it in, because when you pair what you've learned in this video with that one, you're going to be ahead of 90% of the other hosts in your market. I'll see you over there.